Hey guys, if you want a fast and affordable way to send money abroad, Skrill's international transfer service is one of the easiest options out there. Here's how to use it step by step. Start by logging in and heading to Skrill Money Transfer. Choose the country you're sending to. Skrill supports transfers to banks, mobile wallets, and sometimes even cash pickup depending on the region. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Skrill will display the exchange rate, delivery time, and whether there are fees. In many corridors, transfers are fee-free if funded using a bank transfer or Skrill balance. Now add the recipient's details, their name, bank account number, and local transfer format like IBAN or routing number. Double check this part to avoid delays. Choose your payment method: bank transfer, cheapest; Skrill balance, fast; card, fastest but slightly higher fees. Once you confirm, Skrill processes the payment. Many transfers land within minutes, but bank transfers may take 1 to 3 business days depending on the country. Pro tip: if you are sending regularly, set up recurring transfers. It locks in better rates and saves setup time. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.